How to repair your broken shock tower on the Arrma 223s Typhon. Of course you broke your shock tower because you smashed it like 50 miles an hour into something really hard, didn't you? Or soft, like I did. I smashed mine into a car tire, which was soft. Didn't pop the tire, my tire, on my car, but broke the shock tower. So we're gonna replace the shock tower, and let's see if it works with the tools that they gave us with the kit. So these are the two tools. One of them's kind of big, one of them's small. Looks like this is from the bottom. This is for everything else. So let's get down to business. Pretty sure the first thing we do is remove the tops of the shocks. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the bumper screws right here. Same size, same tool. That's what we love. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the screws for the upper control arms. And then from here, we remove the bottom. I assume you're gonna need the bigger one, because it's the bottom, right? Yep. I think it's this one, this one, this one, and that one, and this one. Let's get the new one in. It should fit. All right, we are back to normal. Front shocks work great. Rear shocks good. Reverse the direction of all the shocks so the spring guards are on the outside. This is what happened. So try not to smash it too hard. Maybe order some of these now before you smash them so you have them to replace. Very quick to replace. I'll leave a link to the video. Very easy. We're very happy. And yeah, that's about it.